Hey everybody, Dave Cleaver here with App Mortgage Guy Dave, coming to you on a Sunday in between my workouts. I've been trying to think of another video to do, and I've also been trying to think of a way to help hurricane victims. By now, the media narrative has moved on to their normal stuff, whatever stupid things the administration is doing in North Korea and Russia and stuff like that. But you, if you went through the hurricane, either Irma or Harvey, are still in a situation where you're trying to figure out what to do for the next 3 months of your life, or however long it takes to get your situation back to where it was. You may be in a situation where the home that you have or had is not habitable, and you're trying to figure out how to make your mortgage payment and pay for a secondary place to live, or pay for a secondary place to live while you're making repairs to your home, if you're lucky enough to even be able to afford to do that. But I wanted to put a video out there while you're thinking about your budget, while you're trying to figure out what you're going to do over the next couple months, that will at least give you some help as far as getting some relief from your mortgage. Now, these aren't necessarily programs out there that are available, but it's just assistance that you can get where either the mortgage company itself is allowing you to defer the payments. Sometimes they're allowing you to defer the payments, and it's not going to hit your credit report. Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, VA, USDA, they all have options if you have those type of loans. Even if you have a loan that was a portfolio loan from a lender that doesn't fall into one of those categories, call your lender. Make sure you call your lender. Obviously, call your insurance company first if you haven't already done that. After that, call your lender and tell them what's going on. You may have lost your job. You may have diminished hours and diminished pay now. All kinds of scenarios that will make it harder for you to make your mortgage payment. So the biggest thing is call your lender directly. But I'm going to put up a list of websites here that you can go to that will also help you out.
Okay, so first off, again, call your insurance company, then call your lender. Make sure that your insurance side of it is taken care of first. When you're talking to your lender, they should have a dedicated staff that is helping people out for the disaster relief. The first site I have here is for Fannie Mae loans. These websites are set up so that you can search and see if you have a Fannie Mae loan, a Freddie Mac loan, and an FHA loan. You want to check and make sure you find out which loan that you have first. If you have a mortgage statement, or if you can log into your account online, that's the best way to find out what kind of loan you have. But this is the Fannie Mae site. The next one is Freddie Mac. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have similar assistance guidelines that they're setting up for lenders to follow. The next website is HUD.gov, which is FHA's site. If you have an FHA loan, this is where you want to go, and it will give you steps to how you can figure out how to get disaster relief if you're not having success with your lender. Now, this is still a good site to go to even if you're having success with your lender, because it will give you other information that might help you out as well. The next site is for VA loans. The VA portal is something that if you're a veteran or if you're in the military, this is something that you should be already relatively familiar with. However, this is the site that you would go to figure out what you would need to do if you have a VA loan. The next one is for USDA or rural development loans. This will tell you if you have a USDA loan and what the steps to take on that are if you have one of those types of loans. FEMA is the next website. This website will be able to tell you not only how to apply for assistance through them, but it will tell you if you are in a federally declared disaster zone, which is important. You'll want to go to this regardless of what type of loan you have, because your lender is going to give you varying degrees of help depending on if you're in a disaster area or not. The next one is disasterassistance.gov. This website provides more information and more assistance depending on which hurricane you are in, and other facets determine what kind of assistance that you can get. Now, just to point out, it is important that when you're searching online or if you're on Google, that you're making sure that you're on sites that are secure. You want to make sure it says HTTPS, that it has the green lock logo next to that, and you're on a .gov site. If it's a .com site, make sure it's yourlender.com. There are tons of sites out there that might be misleading, that look like they're offering assistance, but might even be nefarious for some reason, trying to get your money or something like that. We don't want you in that situation for sure. So make sure that whatever website you're looking at is reputable. If all else fails, go to Google, type in the name of your lender, and that'll give you the phone number that you need to call for assistance.
All right, that's it. This video is quick and dirty. I didn't have anything special planned, no special graphics or guitar solos or anything like that for this one, but it's a serious one. It's out of any of my videos, I really hope that you guys share this one, like it, get it out there to people, as many people as possible. Even if this helps one person, I will have considered this a success. So let's try to help all the victims we can out there. I know there's a lot of people in pain out there. They're in emotional pain. They're certainly in financial pain. And maybe in some way this can help somebody. And hopefully it can help one of your friends. My name is Dave Cleaver. I'm with Mortgage Guy Dave. Hope you guys are having a great day.